Hello. Do you feel scared or shy while asking question in English? Maybe you think, what if people laugh at me? What if they don't understand me? What if I make a mistake? Don't worry, you're not alone. Almost everyone feel nervous while they're asking question in English. In today's lesson, I'll tell you how you can ask question in English without getting nervous or confused. So let's start our today's lesson. I'll divide our today's lesson into two parts. In the first part, I'll tell you why we get nervous, and in the second part, I'll give you tips so you can improve your question asking skill. Let's talk about why we feel nervous while asking question. It's usually because of fear of getting wrong grammar, not getting right pronunciation, not knowing the right word, or maybe thinking too much about what other people think about you. So, these feelings are normal. It's okay. It's okay to feel nervous. It's okay to feel these feelings. Native speakers also feel these feelings while speaking in public. Let's move on to our next part where I'll give you tips about how you can get more confident while asking questions. I'll share 5 simple tips that will make you more better at asking questions. Let's start with our tip number 1, that is use simple phrases. You don't need a perfect grammar or difficult word to ask question confidently. You just need simple words. For example, can I ask you something? What does this mean? Can you help me please? They are short, clear and easy. That will make you sound more good, confident and less nervous. Let's move on to our tip number 2. Let's talk about our tip number 2. That is practice at home. You know what? Practice makes a man perfect. So, talk to yourself in English at your home. That way, you can ask yourself questions more confidently. For example, ask yourself questions like, what time it is? What is my favorite meal? What color do I like the most? In this case, you'll talk to yourself and there is no fear of judging. So, you can get more confident and fluent in English asking questions. Let's talk about our tip number 3. That is, don't worry about mistake. At first, you will definitely make mistake, but with the practice and time, you will definitely get it. By the time, your English will get improved and your confidence will be built. So, if you say, where go train, people will still understand. But try to say, where does the train go? That will make you sound more perfect and confident. Let's talk about our tip number 4. That is, smile and be friendly. A smile shows confidence even if your English is basic, and people tend to be more politer if someone is friendly and smiling. So keep smiling even if your English is at a basic level. For example, if you ask someone with a smiley face, hey, can I get a glass of water? So they will understand easily and they will cooperate with you. Let's move on to our tip number 5. Use help sentences when you are stuck. For example, if you are stuck or not remembering a word, try using these sentences. Can you please help me? I'm learning English. Sentence number 2. How do you say this in English? Step number 3. Sorry, I don't remember the word. Could you help me? In this way, people will help you instead of judging you. And that will be very helpful in getting you less nervous. Here's a fun idea for your progress. Record yourself for 7 days straight asking yourself questions. Watch this video time by time. You will see yourself getting improved and you will see how confident you will get. This was all about how you can get confident while asking questions in English. I hope you like our today's lesson. See you in the next video. Bye.